Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 16th of July, 2024. The Indian market extended the winning streak for the third consecutive session on July 16 with benchmarks hitting fresh record highs amid buying seen in the IT, realty and FMCG stocks. At close, the Sensex was up 51.69 points or 0.06% at 80,716.55, and the Nifty was up 26.30 points or 0.11% at 24,613. Top Nifty gainers were Coal India, BPCL, HUL, Tata Consumer Products and Bharti Airtel, while losers were Shriram Finance, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Ultratech Cement and Reliance Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Bharti HEXACOM surged as much as 9.5% on July 16 after global brokerage JP Morgan initiated coverage on the stock with an overweight tag. The brokerage assigned a price target of 1,280 rupees for the stock, foreseeing a 20% upside potential from the previous closing level. Volumes in the counter were also higher, as 1.7 million shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, more than the one-month daily traded average of 1.1 million shares. JP Morgan also called Bharti HEXACOM the best pure play in the Indian market for communication solutions. Bharti HEXACOM is the best play on market repair thesis, given its presence in wireless as compared to Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea, JP Morgan stated. The company also operates in two underpenetrated circles of Rajasthan and the Northeast that have lower telecom density, internet penetration, and post-paid mix. Thanks to the underpenetration in these areas, the company enjoys stronger tailwinds from subscriber growth and organic ARPU, average revenue per user, expansion, JP Morgan noted. More so, the company's ARPU is only 2% lower than Bharti Airtel's, which according to JP Morgan suggests that its underlying returns will remain superior. Further, JP Morgan anticipates a 15% tariff hike each in financial year 2025 and financial year 2026 for Bharti HEXACOM, which will drive a 17% and 21% revenue and EBITDA CAGR, respectively, over financial year 2024 to 27. As a result of these tariff hikes and decreasing capital expenditures, the brokerage expects dividend payouts to rise from 23% in financial year 2024 to 34% in financial year 2027, owing to the improving free cash flow. Shares of Century Textiles and Industries soared over 5% on July 16, a day after its wholly owned subsidiary Birla Estates acquired a 5-acre land parcel in Gurugram. The land parcel offers a development potential of around 10 lakh square feet and is expected to generate revenue of over 1,400 rupees crore, the company stated. The positive news also triggered a spike in volumes in the counter as 6 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, double the one-month daily traded average of 3 lakh shares. Gurugram has been a pivotal market for us from the outset. The real estate potential in this micro-market is immense and reinforces our strong focus in the Delhi NCR region, KT Jithendran, MD and CEO of Birla Estates said in an exchange filing. With this acquisition, we aim to cater to homebuyers seeking exclusivity and distinctive living experiences. At Birla Estates, our commitment transcends luxury. Our ethos is to embrace a vision of residences that embody a legacy of dedication and excellence, Jithendran added. Birla Estates is also taken up a rapid expansion in the NCR market, and this acquisition adds to its already underwork projects in Golf Course Extension Road, Sector 31 in Gurugram and Mathura Road in Delhi. Stock market today, India Cement's share price gained more than 5% to scale 52-week high during the intraday trades on Tuesday. India Cement's share price opened at 310 Indian rupees, slightly higher than previous close of 307.40 Indian rupees. India Cement's share price thereafter continued to gain and scaled 52-week highs of 323.40 Indian rupees on the NSE on Tuesday, marking gains of more than 5%. India Cements has been in news post India's largest cement manufacturer Ultratech buying 23% shareholding. Anand Rathi Investment Services has given target price of 410 Indian rupees for India Cement's share price, with a stop loss of 260 Indian rupees. Here's why Anand Rathi expects more than 28% upside for the stock, now trading at close to 320 Indian rupees levels. As Oriental Carbon and Chemicals stock price hit its 20% upper circuit at 361.05 Indian rupees, marking a 52-week high on Tuesday, July 16, and extending its gains for the 7th consecutive session. The stock also hit its 20% upper circuit in the previous session on July 15, soaring over 67% in these 7 sessions. Also, with the stock hitting a new year high, it has now surged 137% from its 52-week low of 152.3 for Indian rupees, hit on June 4, 2024. Just in July, the stock has zoomed 81%. This rally follows the company's annual report, which expressed confidence in a rebound as global prices start to ease. The report disclosed a 14% decline in standalone revenue for financial year 2024, totaling 397 Indian rupees crore compared to 465 Indian rupees crore in financial year 2023. Profit after tax decreased by 2% to 43 Indian rupees crore from 43.7 Indian rupees crore in the previous fiscal year. In addition, HDFC Mutual Fund sold approximately 66,000 shares, or 0.66% of its stake in the company, for 1.6 for Indian rupees crore in bulk deals on Friday. Keynote Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 308.30 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 202.71 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 227.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 92.75. Compucom Software Limited in daily time frame is trading around 33 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.282 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 28.92, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.58. Indo-Amines Limited in daily time frame is trading around 158.89 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.498 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 138.28, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.11. For the stock recommendation we have, UCO Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 57 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 54 rupees and a target of 60 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.